Right, did you bring an extra axle?
Uh-oh. Needs to dry out.
Both those bitches are spinning right there, JR. Both those tires are spinning right there briefly. Said it was open, right?
Yeah, it works sometimes.
Does it?
Yeah. As long as he doesn't have too much pressure on one side or the other.
Even up.
He's the one that broke my Lincoln, this motherfucker. I'm all, I can't do it. You want to fucking try it?
Hey, he made it at least up the first.
I've been in that fucking rut too.
Ooh.
I'm better now.
Just gas it.
Now. Fucking love it now, dude.
Did better last week. And it was covered in snow.
Ralph going? Or is he squaring up again?
Probably gonna try to get his back end farther over.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Wrong way.
Go back about a foot.
Yeah.